Welcome back everyone to Learn the Data. Today we are going to explore the all selected DAX. It is a very powerful DAX, and at the end of video you will be expert in all selected, and you having the knowledge and where we can use the all selected and where we can use the all from DAX. So from the definition and with reference to the Microsoft, the all selected returns the all the row in a table applied and ignoring any filters that might have been applied inside the query, but keeping filters that come from the outside. Keeping filters that come from the outside means whenever we use any filter in visual or even in slicer, it respect that filter, and other than that filters, it ignore all the filters applied in the query, right? So where we can use it, this all selected DAX, it applies in calculated column, tables, measures and visuals calculation as well, right? So first of all, if we have a all DAX, so why do we need the all selected? So let's explore first the all DAX. It is here is I have created one table which is country wise total sales contribution is given. For all DAX you can refer my previous video as well. I have explained all about the all DAX, and so here's the country wise contribution, sales contribution overall. So you can see here the Canada given the 21% contribution among the all 5 countries. So for creating this percentage we have created just sales measures, and over the sales we have created the sales over the by using the all filters on the countries. So it's summing up the 100% as a total, right? So what if we need let's say sorry, what if we need let's say in a project the USA has left the business, right? So sorry, so in that case we want we want only 4 countries, let's say Canada, France, Germany and Mexico. But you can see here the in this visual we have obviously we have sales contribution 21, 21, 20, but the calculation is including the USA part as well, because if we refer in total we have a 79 percentage include with the all 4, right? So if we want to see that here that the total 4 what the contribution the among the only the total 4 selected countries, or we can say what if we want only the total 3 countries selected here, and we want the sales contribution among all 3 only. So in this case, this is the case and this is the scenario, we can use the all selected DAX, right? So let's jump to the visual here. We can delete this one, and first of all we can just so here you can say if we select 4 countries, so it will be showing the total sales contribution among the 4 countries only, right? So here you can see the Canada increased to the 26% among the 4. So here is the only the reason why we are using the all selected DAX. So let's first of all explore our sales measure. Sales measure is nothing but it's a sum of the financial sales only. Then what we have used here, we are using the calculate with the all selected, and all selected we are using with the country only. So it means whenever the country is selected, so it will be sum of the all the countries selected on in the visuals. Let's say we have only 4 here, so it's sum of the all these 4 countries, right? So that's why we are having the 100%. Or if we select the only one, so obviously we have 100%. Then if we select the 2 or 3, so it will be give the sales contribution accordingly. So I hope you have learned the video and you have learned something new. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you.